Do you want to do this intro or something? Hey YouTube, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pattiya. If you haven't been to the main channel before, or if I brought you from my vlog channel, then I will explain why this video is now my main channel. Anyways, this video is going to be a couch review, 6 months later update kind of thing. We are reviewing the dream couch again today. I originally posted the first part to this video on my vlog channel with the intention that no one was really going to see it, maybe 30 people. 44,000 people have seen that video now, and I kind of regret posting it on my vlog channel now because of that. I was always planning on doing a 6-month update and then a year update on the couch just to help, you know, people who were planning on getting this couch, and it turns out a lot of people were. It just makes more sense for my channel. I'm sitting on the couch right now and I cannot wait to answer your top 10 questions that were left on the last video. I collected them all. A lot of them were repeated, and so I feel like this video is gonna really help those who are really interested in this couch or who are gonna buy this couch, who want to go check it out in stores, which you can do. And if you haven't seen the part 1 video yet, go ahead and check it out. I mean, the link will be right there. You can see the little white thing, and it will also be in the description if you missed the link. And yeah, just check it out. It's just me getting the couch and my first impressions of it. But now I'm going to tell you a 6-month update. Sit down. By the way, all the sweet comments about Pattiya on that video were so cute, so thank you for all the compliments about him. He loves it, he loves the attention. Trust me, if he met you guys in person, he'd be all over you. So I wrote down the top 10 questions that were left on that video, and these questions are gonna help guide me into reviewing this couch 6 months later. And I'm obviously going to be truthful. I've never lied on my channel, and I don't plan on doing that. So these are my honest opinions, and if you guys saw the last video, you guys saw how pissed off I was over, like, I think it was like bad customer service, the couch came late. Not at all. Like, why would you say that? I'm honest. The first question is just a broad overall, how is the couch holding up 6 months later? It is officially 6 months later. I would say it's holding up great, guys. For the price you're getting for this couch, it's holding up really, really good. Like, it's still fluffy, and we don't even really fluff it. Like, I don't grab a cushion and fluff it, but I imagine if you do that, it's gonna be even more firm. But like, it's still so comfy, it's amazing. We fall asleep on it all the time. Perfect movie couch. Like I said in the last video, I would take this ottoman piece right here and I will scooch it over right here where I'm at, well, where Pudgy's laying now, and it will be like a full-size bed, maybe even a queen, I don't know. And we will just lay right here and watch the TV behind you. And so it's so comfortable. We nap on it literally daily. Like, my mom takes a nap right here every day. So if you like your bed and you want a couch that's like your bed, this is the couch for you. Overall, I'm still really happy with it 6 months later. I really don't have much negative to say at all, really. Like, literally at all. Another question I got was, does my whole body fit on a section like this? And I will show you that it does. I am 5'4" for reference, so, but my boyfriend, he's like 6 foot 6'1". He still fits on it perfectly as well. Like, I don't know if his feet hang off. I don't think they do. This was another big question that was commented on the video, and it is these guys. Where are these from? So we got an amazing deal on these, and these are just from Costco. They were 20 bucks each. We got 3 of them. They come and go, and when they come, guys, they go. I am not joking you. Like, I've seen these in and out so many times, and my mom and I go to Costco literally weekly. It's her favorite store, and so every time we go there, we'll see them 1 week, and the next week completely gone. So if you see these in your Costco, get them that day and get a bunch, because you can't go back. You cannot go back. I bought 2 originally thinking that this couch was gonna be smaller, but turns out it's huge. It's a huge couch, so I ordered one online, and it is more expensive online. So when you see it for $20 in stores, do buy it. If it's still sold out and you really do want this pillow, and which I recommend, let me review this pillow real quick. This pillow is huge, it's soft, it's fluffy, it's perfect, it's everything I could ever want. It matches the couch beautifully. It looks like this came as a set, right? Like, the grays match, it's ombre, I love the braided detail. My favorite thing is just the softness though, and how large it is. It's perfect for laying on, and this is what we fall asleep on as well. But if you cannot get this at Costco because it's sold out, I will try to put a link down below for where you can get them, and this is the name of the brand. I researched the name to get the third one, so research the name, and maybe someone is selling it, maybe there's a website for this brand, and I'll just throw all the links down below to help you guys out. But I love these pillows. They're amazing and super fluffy and big, which I said 314 times already. The fourth question, is this the new memory foam couch or is this the older version with the feathers? This couch is with the feathers. It's the older... Sorry. Anyways, this couch is the older version. This one has feathers in it, and actually I guess that is one flaw. I have noticed maybe like 5 times out of the 6 months little feathers coming out, and I got freaked out because I thought they were real like bird feathers from outside, and my dog brought them in, but no, they were from the couch. But I feel like that's just because I was being too rough with the couch. Like I would literally jump on the couch and maybe one would poke out. So just be gentle, but that may happen. I guess that's a flaw, but it doesn't bother me because literally 5 out of 6 months is not a big deal to me. But if it is to you, then this is what the video is for. Yeah, but I heard the memory foam is great. I've never tried it myself. If that option was available to us at the time, we probably would have done that, but honestly, this is perfect. This is still a great texture to me. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. I would say it is a little bit more on the softer side. If we had a spectrum, okay, imagine a spectrum. This is too soft, this is crazy soft, this is memory foam, pretty hard, I guess, pretty solid. I would say the couch, if it was right here in the middle, it would be a little bit more soft, just a little bit more soft. But I like that. It makes me fall asleep quicker. I love, cushiness, So if you like a cushy kind of couch, this is your couch. Like I said, it's a movie couch, the lounge couch. It's not a firm, proper kind of thing. This isn't really a question. A lot of people just kept commenting this, saying there's a new color, navy blue, and this is what it looks like, and it does look super nice. I recommend that color if you are more of a quirky kind of person. Like I've seen a lot of this color paired with tan on my Pinterest, and I think it looks amazing. Here's like a little mood board for you. Like this is the vibe I'm talking about. It looks amazing. That color is super nice, but the reason why I like the gray one more is just because it fits my house better. My house has a black, white, and gray kind of theme going on. There are some browns here and there on the doors, but this just looks way better with our walls, the white walls. I'm not an interior designer. I don't know why I'm trying to sound like one. I'm not. It's just I love this color because it's just neutral to me. It's simple, it looks clean, it looks classic. Yeah, so I like the gray. This is what the gray looks like. Still hasn't faded in color, and we have washed it, and I will get into a time where I stained it. I think that's next. Yeah, question 6 is how does it do with stains? So we've never stained it too bad. Like it's not like we spilled wine on it or something, or spilt soup, because we eat a lot of soup on this couch. We probably should not, but we do. But I was one time driving on the couch with a red pen. You already know where this is going. A red pen, and it slipped and it hit a pillow. It hit one of these pillows right here. These ones are also huge too. I love these pillows that come with the couch. So amazing, and they're actually comforting. I thought it was gonna be a little too stiff, but it's very nice. I would say these ones though are way more comfortable. We don't use these to lay on, we use these to lay on. I got a red pen stain on it. I just swiped it, and I was so afraid. I was worried. I was like, what do? I was looking up every video on YouTube to get a stain out, and it came out. All I did was put a little alcohol in it, just dabbed it with a little cotton ball, threw it in the washer, and I threw the rest of the couch in the washer too, because why not while I was at it. And I just made sure that this cushion was, clean, because if my mom saw me, she would have killed me, whatever. And it came out clean. I could not find the red pen, so it washes in the machine great if you do get any stains on it. Like all I did was dab alcohol on it, and I threw it in with my regular detergent. So I would say the couch is great with stains, especially if we got a red ink pen on it. I feel like it can handle food easily, no doubt about that. Now Sharpie, I don't know. I don't want to test it. I don't think you guys should either. Oh, I don't have my glasses on me right now, but my last video when I was looking so crusty because I didn't think anyone was really gonna see it. A lot of you guys liked my glasses. I am not a glasses kind of girl. I go to Target Optical. If you have a Target Optical within your Target. It's just like a little glasses place, you know. And my frames are from there. They're Coach. This is them exactly. I will also link those down below. But thank you for the compliments on my glasses. That was very sweet since I don't like wearing them. Oh my gosh, this is another big one that was kind of annoying, you guys. But like obviously you don't know, so let me explain to you. You guys are like, why would you cover your fireplace? Why would you put the couch in front of the TV? Why, guys? The TV is behind you. This is a fireplace. This is not a TV. Everyone was coming for me saying, why would you put your couch in front of the TV? This is not a TV. I can kind of see why you guys may think it was, but this is our fireplace. And yes, we did cover our original fireplace, which is behind us because one, it's broken. Well, that's what my mom says, but she may be lying because she doesn't want me playing with fire when I'm literally 22. I don't know, but I think it's best to have that one covered even if it is broken or not, because the space we get with our couch this way versus being on the other side doesn't make sense, because like it blocks off like the house when you put the couch there. I'm not going to explain to more detail or like show you what my house setup is like. Just take my word for it. It doesn't make sense. But yes, that is a fireplace. It's not a TV. The TV is right behind you guys. As you can see, we have a perfect view, and yeah, it's all good, guys. It's all good. 9, do the wrinkles on the couch bother me? No. This is meant to be a wrinkly couch. To me, it's an aesthetic, okay? If you know the cloud couch and you know all those couches that look like this couch, like all the other bougier ones, like I will show you some pictures. They are meant to be wrinkly. That's the aesthetic, that's the vibe. And if you aren't about it, don't be about it. You don't have to have a wrinkly couch. I do every day, not every day, maybe every other day, when I leave the couch, or if it's looking super wrinkly where it's not even aesthetic anymore, it's just ugly, I will, for example, I will show you, like right now I just sat on it, so it's kind of wrinkly. I will just, that's all I do. That's literally it. I will just wipe it down just as you guys saw. It makes it less wrinkly, makes it look more flat, and it's that easy, and that's how you know it's not super squishy if it's going flat. I can understand why it would bother some people, and we all have our own like OCD, pet peeve kind of things, but for me, it's all good. And question 10, I think this was only asked once, but I'm still gonna answer it for you, is do the pieces connect? Yes, the pieces are all oh, sorry. The pieces do not connect. My bad. I'm tired. Okay. The pieces do not connect. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. This couch is a 5-piece couch. You can get it in 6. You can get it in 10. You can literally add on forever. It doesn't matter. I like it that way because we like to move pieces. We like to move the ottoman here. For Christmas, we moved it all around so the tree like would work out, I guess, and so that's why we bought the couch. We love how you can move this couch around, and it's so much easier when you're cleaning the couch to just lift up, you know, these pieces and take off the zipper cover that's covering each piece and just throw it in. It's easy to pull apart, whereas a couch that's all stuck together, it's kind of like you're stretching, you're struggling to take it off. Like if it even has a zipper, this couch has zipper cushions, which is amazing. Love how easy it is to clean. So yeah, that's pretty much all your guys' questions and feedback. But overall, to answer the first question, the couch is holding up great 6 months in. Thank you guys so much for watching this couch update video. You'll probably get one in 1 year, because who knows, the couch can maybe just fall apart in 1 year, and that would suck. But this is definitely a great couch if you are on a budget. I mean, compared to the cloud couch, that couch is expensive. This couch is super modern, but keep in mind it is very large, so please check it out in person. Well guys, that is it for this video. Please give it a like if I answered your question or helped you out in any way figuring out if you want this couch or not. I like it, but everyone's opinion is different, so yeah, keep that in mind. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, yay! And also, if you aren't already subscribed to this channel and you want to see more reviews on random things, or you want me to review other things, leave a comment down below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not already subscribed to my vlog channel, subscribe there. That's where the part 1 is again, if you want to check that out, even though you should watch that first, but it is all good. Do whatever you want. And yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.